Good morning, all of you. So, in the previous lecture, we discussed the preparation method of the alcohols, and now we are supposed to see the reactions of alcohols. So, alcohol contains the ROH as a general formula, and here the reactions of alcohols are seen in two types. One in which the reactions involve the replacement of OH group, the replacement of OH group, and in the second type of the reactions, that is the reactions involve replacement of the replacement of hydrogen atom of OH group. And so here we are going to see these two types of reaction, means one in which the whole OH group is going to be replaced and one in which only the hydrogen atom is going to be replaced. And so the first type, that is the reactions involving replacement of OH group, replacement of OH group. Here we are going to study the two types of reactions, that is the formation of alkyl halides, formations of alkyl halides, and second is the dehydration of alcohols, dehydration of the alcohol. And so here the formation of alkyl halide, it takes place, or the alcohols can be converted into alkyl halides by using three different types of reagents. That is by using the simple HX, that is the hydrogen halides, phosphorus halides, that is PCl3 or the PX3. You can see it is PX3, or thionyl chloride. And so here alcohols readily react using the hydrogen halides. Suppose the first type, that is using HX, and so it alcohols readily reacts with the hydrogen halides, where the reactivity of the HX, that is the HI, is more reactive than HBr, which is more reactive than HCl, which is more reactive than HF. So this is the reactivity of the corresponding hydrogen halides. By passing this dry hydrogen halide gas into the alcohols in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, anhydrous zinc chloride, we are getting the alkyl halides as a product. But here the reactivity of alcohols, as the reactivity of the hydrogen halides we have seen, the reactivity of alcohols, the alcohols, tertiary alcohols reacts faster than secondary alcohols, which reacts faster than the primary alcohols. And so the reaction conditions are going to vary in this process. And so here if we see that this ethanol on reaction with hydrogen halide, we need anhydrous zinc chloride as the catalyst. And so the ethyl alcohol is getting converted into ethyl chloride. In the same way, you can use any type of alcohol and the reagents needed are the same, that is the anhydrous zinc chloride, and we are in need to heat the reaction, and after heating we will get the product, that is the normal propyl chloride. So the secondary alcohols reacts somewhat faster, where it does not need the catalyst, and so by just adding the hydrogen halides and slightly heat the reaction, you will get the formation of the product, that is the isopropyl bromide. And so here the isopropyl bromide is obtained as a product from the propanol, that is 2-propanol. So as we have seen that the tertiary alcohols reacts very faster than secondary reacts very faster than primary alcohols. The same is the case. Primary alcohols needs somewhat drastic condition, and the reagent needed here is the anhydrous zinc chloride and the dry HCl gas, or whatever the hydrogen halides you are going to use, that must be in a dry condition. But if we treat the tertiary alcohols with hydrogen halides, this reaction takes place at a normal room temperature, and by just using concentrated hydrochloric acid we get the formation of the tertiary butyl chloride. Tertiary butyl chloride. And so this is nothing but the a mixture of hydrochloric acid and the anhydrous zinc chloride is also called as Lucas reagent. The mixture of hydrogen halide and hydrogen chloride and anhydrous zinc chloride is nothing but your Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent. And so here this Lucas reagent is the important reagent where the tertiary alcohols immediately reacts with this Lucas reagent and forms a cloudy precipitate of alkyl chlorides. Tertiary alcohols reacts readily, whereas secondary alcohols reacts in 5 minutes, whereas primary alcohols does not react at room temperature, does not react at room temperature, or needs some more drastic condition, and so a heating is also necessary in this reaction. So this is nothing but your Lucas reagent, or the type of reactions to prepare the alkyl halides. So the next method for the preparation, that is B, using phosphorus trihalides, using phosphorus trihalides, that is PX3. And so alcohols reacts with the phosphorus trihalides, that is PCl3, PBr3, PI3, that is PCl3, PBr3, phosphorus tribromide or phosphorus triiodide, and gives you the corresponding alkyl halides. And so the 3 molecules of alcohol reacts with 1 molecule of phosphorus trihalide and gives you the formation of 3 alkyl halide molecules plus H3PO3, that is the phosphorus acid is obtained. And so here if you treat the ethanol with PCl3, that is phosphorus trichloride, you will get the 3 molecules of ethyl chloride plus H3PO3 ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride is obtained from ethanol. In the same way, you can take any molecule. So only the thing is that in presence of the phosphorus trihalide, you need the 3 molecules of the reagent. And so here the 2-methyl butanol on reaction with this is prepared by the mixture of phosphorus in presence of bromine. So it gives you the formation of phosphorus